In a dense forest, there lived a clever and quick-witted rabbit named Ricky. Ricky was loved by all the animals in the forest because he was very smart and wise. His tales of cleverness were famous throughout the jungle. One day, a big lion entered the forest. He was very hungry and was searching for food. Suddenly, he spotted Ricky. As soon as the lion saw Ricky, he thought, "This would make a perfect meal for me." The lion started moving slowly towards Ricky, but Ricky noticed him and quickly came up with a clever plan. Ricky saw a deep pit nearby and thought, "If I can trick the lion into falling into this pit, he won't be able to eat me." Ricky cleverly allowed the lion to come closer. When the lion was almost upon him, Ricky said, "Mr. Lion, you are very powerful, but can you defeat the strongest lion that follows me?" The lion, angry and proud, replied, "There is no one stronger than me." "Tell me, where is he?" Ricky said, "He lives on the other side of this pit. If you want to defeat him, follow me to the edge of the pit." Without thinking, the lion agreed to Ricky's suggestion and reached the edge of the pit. Ricky told the lion to look into the pit. As soon as the lion looked down, he saw his own reflection in the water. He thought, "Oh, this must be that lion," and he pounced with all his might. As soon as the lion jumped, he fell straight into the pit. Ricky laughed and said, "Mr. Lion, that was just your own reflection. But now you are safe, and you can forget about eating me." The lion, trapped in the pit, realized his mistake, but it was too late. Ricky, having outsmarted the lion with his cleverness, returned to the forest, and once again, all the animals praised his wisdom. This story teaches us that with intelligence and cleverness, even the biggest problems can be solved. Not all challenges can be overcome by strength alone. Sometimes, wisdom is the key.